you ever asked someone, "Where did you buy that?" And they smiled and said, "Ah, I forgot." Maybe they are gatekeeping.
Gatekeeping, like standing in front of a gate and stopping people from entering?
That is the original idea. But in modern English, to gatekeep often means to keep helpful information, access, or opportunities away from other people.
So today we're learning a very modern English word.
Exactly. Today, you will learn how to use gatekeep naturally in daily conversation, social media, work, hobbies, and friendships. Welcome back to FluentMindee, your place to learn natural English for real conversations.
Today's speaking goal is simple. Learn how to say that someone is hiding useful information or trying to control who can join something.
The main word is gatekeep. Listen carefully. Gatekeep.
Gatekeep.
Great. It is a verb. We can say, "Don't gatekeep," "She is gatekeeping," or "Why are you gatekeeping?"
I hear this a lot online. People say, "Don't gatekeep the restaurant," or "Stop gatekeeping that product."
Yes, it can sound playful, but it can also sound critical, depending on the situation. Let's hear a short dialogue.
Alex, your skin looks so good today. What moisturizer do you use?
It's just something I found online.
Come on, don't gatekeep. Tell me the name.
Okay. It's called Glow Fresh Cream. I bought it from a small shop.
See, that was easy. Sharing is caring.
In this dialogue, Lena says, "Don't gatekeep." It means, don't hide the useful information. Please share it with me.
Now, let's break it down. Gate is something you open or close. Keep means to hold or control something.
So gatekeep means to control the gate?
Yes, originally. But in everyday English, it often means to control access to information, a group, a trend, a product, a place, or an opportunity.
For example, if someone knows a good coffee shop but refuses to tell friends, they are gatekeeping the coffee shop.
Correct. You can say, "Stop gatekeeping that cafe." It means, "Tell me where it is."
And if someone knows a good website for learning English but doesn't want to share it?
You can say, "Don't gatekeep the learning resource." Here are 3 useful patterns. Pattern 1, don't gatekeep.
Don't gatekeep.
Use it when you want someone to share information.
Example, your outfit is amazing. Don't gatekeep. Where did you buy it?
Pattern 2, stop gatekeeping.
Stop gatekeeping.
This is stronger. Use it when someone keeps avoiding your question.
Example, stop gatekeeping the restaurant. Send me the location.
Pattern 3, I'm not trying to gatekeep.
I'm not trying to gatekeep.
Use this when you want to explain that you are not hiding something.
Example, I'm not trying to gatekeep. I just don't remember the brand name.
Let's practice with daily examples.
Example 1, that cafe looks beautiful. Don't gatekeep. What's the name?
Good. Example 2, he always gatekeeps his editing apps so nobody knows how he makes his videos.
Example 3, I'm not gatekeeping the job opportunity. I'll send you the link after lunch.
Great. Notice that gatekeep can be used with products, places, tips, apps, jobs, hobbies, and communities.
So it is very useful for online English.
Exactly. You will often see it in comments, short videos, and casual conversations. Let's talk about a common mistake. Some learners say, "He gatekeeps me."
Is that wrong?
It sounds incomplete. Usually, we gatekeep something, not a person. We gatekeep information, access, a place, a product, or an opportunity.
So I should say, he is gatekeeping the information, not he gatekeeps me.
Correct. Another mistake is using gatekeep in very formal writing. It's common in casual English, social media, and modern speech.
So for business email, maybe use withhold information instead.
Exactly. Gatekeep is natural and modern, but withhold information is more formal. Now let's compare a friendly meaning and a negative meaning.
Friendly meaning first.
If your friend says, "Don't gatekeep that bakery," it can be playful. They simply want your recommendation.
Like joking with a friend.
Exactly. But in a negative meaning, it can describe someone who controls access unfairly.
For example, some people gatekeep the industry by only helping their close friends.
Yes, that sounds more serious. It means they are blocking others from opportunities. Let's do another dialogue.
I want to start making videos, but some creators never share their tools.
Really? Maybe they don't want to gatekeep. Maybe they're just busy.
Maybe, but one creator replied, "Figure it out yourself."
That sounds like gatekeeping.
I agree. Beginners need help, not closed doors.
Nice phrase. Beginners need help, not closed doors. That is the idea behind gatekeeping. Now it's your turn. Mini speaking challenge. I will give you a situation. You make a sentence with gatekeep.
Situation 1. Your friend knows a great restaurant but won't tell you the name.
You can say, "Don't gatekeep. Tell me the restaurant name."
Situation 2. Someone knows a great app for editing videos but refuses to share it.
You can say, "Stop gatekeeping the editing app."
Situation 3. You forgot the name of a product, but your friend thinks you are hiding it.
You can say, "I'm not trying to gatekeep, I just forgot the name." Let's review. Gatekeep is a modern verb. It means to keep useful information, access, or opportunities away from other people.
Useful phrases are "don't gatekeep," "stop gatekeeping," and "I'm not trying to gatekeep."
Use it casually with friends, online comments, hobbies, products, restaurants, apps, and opportunities.
But in formal writing, you can use "withhold information" instead.
Excellent. Now repeat after me. Don't gatekeep.
Don't gatekeep.
Stop gatekeeping the restaurant.
Stop gatekeeping the restaurant.
I'm not trying to gatekeep.
I'm not trying to gatekeep.
Great job today. Now you can use the word gatekeep in real English conversation.
Your challenge is to write one sentence in the comments using gatekeep. For example, "Don't gatekeep that learning app."
And if this lesson helped you, please like, subscribe, and follow FluentMindee for more natural English expressions.
We help you speak English clearly, naturally, and confidently.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, and don't gatekeep this video. Share it with a friend.